Top One is an integrated manufacturer with research, development, manufacture, and sales capability of the household and commercial food dehydrators since 2017. The factory occupies 5,800 square meters footprint with completed facilities and a fully owned metal workshop as well. In the past many years, Top One has created varies of food dehydrators with high durable quality, high cost efficiency, and ease of use features, mastering the completely independent intellectual property rights. Top One acquired a series of patents. Top One design team with rich experience provide global customers excellent product solutions of product function, structure, hardware, software development, testing, and engineering service in kitchen appliances at their best reasonable cost. It could meet customer-specific needs on the basis of design and manufacture craftsmanship combination. Top One adhere to the quality principle of quality is the first and pursue the best. Even the arc edges of the dehydrator must be meticulous and up to standard. Top One whole product categories have obtained international approved certificates by the accredited lab. Maintain stable relationships with new and cooperated customers are the key of Top One success. Our dynamic sales team are ready to create the best value for your business and help you to step ahead in the competitive market with our innovative ideals. In the future, Top One continues to dedicate ourselves to improving the quality for food dehydrator so that every family can enjoy making food brought by the advanced technology and humanized design.